Welcome to my brand new video guys, and today we are gonna talk about TikTok being banned in India. TikTok, the wonderful app that has produced such masterpieces such as the Joker face, the Renegade, and this guy
chicken leg piece, chicken leg piece, chicken leg piece, chicken leg piece.
being shut down in India. You Americans and Europeans can continue to make Renegade and no one cares. Now, today we will be talking about TikTok might be banned in India. Now let's start from the start, alright? This is Scary Minati. He uploaded a video roasting TikTok and it got 69 million views in 6 days. YouTube, do you not like me? Like, what's going on? Why am I not getting these views? He literally made a video roasting TikTok and got 70 million views in a week. And I made a video roasting TikTok and got 7 views in a week. Now, here's the spicy part, alright? The video that got 70 million views in a week got taken down. Indian fans of Scary Minati got so mad that they went to the app store and changed the ratings of TikTok from 4 point something to 1 point something. The fans are so mad that they're still getting TikTok banned in India. Apparently it is trending on Indian Twitter. Everyone in India are trying to get TikTok banned. Shit's going down in India. Now that's not where it stops, alright? It gets more spicier. Now Scary Minati has uploaded another video 4 days ago and has got nearly 50 million views, alright? Oh my god. YouTube, why do you hate me so much? Me at this point, I only want 1,000 views, man. That's all I want. Just give me 1,000 views. Now, the amount of support that Scary Minati is getting is insane, bro. This guy is getting millions of likes and millions of views in just a matter of hours. I've never seen this much support to a YouTuber's video. Crazy. This is so big, and the weird thing is no English YouTuber are speaking about it. Going back to the topic, TikTok was previously banned in India, but apparently it got unbanned. I don't know why. Soon as they unbanned TikTok in India, bloody Joker faces started coming through. You know what? I think it will be really hard to ban TikTok in India because literally everybody uses it. Found this graph on Google that represents how many people in which country uses TikTok a lot. And India is winning by a mile. Literally everybody uses TikTok in India, man. It's like a daily thing. Their son, their daughter, their grandchild, their grandma, their forehead, everybody uses it. So now in India there are two different groups of people. The people that hate TikTok and the people that hate YouTube for trying to cancel TikTok. So TikTok versus YouTube thing is really big in India, and I'm really gassed up to see where it goes. Like, quarantine has made everything boring and this is the most entertainment I've got in like 3 months, so I'm gassed up. Can't go ahead of the fact that Scary Minati got 70 million views. What? I swear to god, if this video doesn't get 1,000 views, I'm going to start making Joker faces on TikTok. Now I feel like I know why people want TikTok banned in India. I feel like they are embarrassed of Indian jokers and shit like that, cause they don't want to be lumped up with those guys. In reality, it does make India look bad. So I do understand where they're coming from. But I also feel like TikTok should not be banned cause people should have the option to express themselves. You know what I mean? If it is cringy, they should be allowed to make those cringy content, cause in reality, if they don't make this cringy content, then who am I going to make videos on? But that's my opinion on the whole situation. I don't think TikTok should be banned. I want views. Speaking of Indian TikTok, let's watch some.
यहाँ से 5-5 कोच दूर गांव में जब बच्चा रात को
You know what? I changed my mind. India, delete TikTok right now. Man, what is this? Whose dad is this, huh? And why he's got a ponytail on his head And what is he? A unicorn?
में जब बच्चा रात को रोता है तो माँ कहती है बेटा सोच.
This is pissing me off for some reason, and I love the fact that he got two black eyes. Did someone punch you, my guy? I don't even blame him. If I saw that scary face, I'll punch it too. I don't want to die. This is the shittiest version of PUBG I've ever seen. Oh my god. If this is PUBG, the play Minecraft. I love it when he dies. He's there just spacing out for 10 seconds. My guy, I don't think that's how you die. You should drop to the floor, not sit there breakdancing. Listen, my bro, I know you're sad, alright? But why are you punching the wall? What has the wall done to you? This is an assault, yeah. Why are you assaulting the wall for? Don't make me bring my boy Mike Tyson, bro. Bro, you're just supposed to act for TikTok. Okay, are you okay? This guy's supposed to be acting for TikTok. Why does he look so sad? Someone tell this guy it's a joke. No one stole his curry.
Hello guys, आज का न्यू बीट बॉक्सिंग.
The only thing that I understood was hello guys. I can feel the spit in my ears, man. Relax. This right here is a musician genius. The only thing that I am worried that this phone is covered in saliva.
अब मेरा सुन.
Oh my god, the saliva that came out of your mouth. I'm pretty sure the kid in front of you had a shower, man. And what is this, a beatboxing fight? Are you guys competing who can beatbox better? You know we have UFC, we got wrestling, and now we got this. You know, in conclusion, I feel like we had enough. We should ban TikTok and support Carryminati. Yo guys, if you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe. And you know, you should go and follow me on Instagram because it is the best place. It is the best place you can talk to. If you're bored, you can talk to me. And if you want to threaten me, if you be sure follow me on Instagram. And yeah, peace.